Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Lots of iPhone users are reporting that Siri or Hey Siri not talking or working on their iPhone after updated to the iOS 18. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Change Siri responses to spoken responses. First, open up Settings. Find and tap on Siri. Next, tap on Siri responses. Ensure Prefer Spoken Responses is enabled. Solution 2. Ensure location services are enabled. Head to Settings on your iPhone. Select Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services and ensure they are enabled. Solution 3. Retrain Siri. Navigate to Settings. Next, tap on Siri. Choose Talk to Siri under Siri Request. Turn off Siri. It may be a good idea to perform a force restart here. Go back to Talk to Siri and choose either Siri or Hey Siri. Solution 4. Check for a software update. To update, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If any update is available, download and install it. Solution 5. Force restart your iPhone. If you have iPhone 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 series and iPhone SE second and third generation, do the following steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel.